Hello friends, this is Sumit Pava, co-founder of Complinity. First of all, let me thank you for registering for Complinity as a practicing company secretary. And in the last 2 or 3 months after the MOU with ICSI, some 2,800 plus people have registered for Complinity, and hundreds of you have already attended our series of webinars and trainings that we have conducted. The intent of this video is that we are starting a short series, a video series, to help you get started, clear some of your doubts, and give you information in short snippets so that you can start using the system. So today I'm going to be talking about why Complinity. You know, why many of you who have registered may not have started using it properly. So the intent is to that why should you be in fact using Complinity. So I would give you 5 benefits how Complinity can help you run your practice. First is automate. So there are several resolution formats, procedures, compliances, etc. Drag and drop, select a few things, select event dates, and then you can automate a lot of action items that need to be done with these statutory dates. And there are linked items, linked events, linked compliances, etc. So once you start doing a few things, automatically the software will keep changing certain dates, certain due dates, give you alerts and reminders, etc., etc. So you automate a little bit part of your practice which you are currently managing on your Excel sheets or your trackers. Second is digitize. Now you would agree with me that especially in the COVID scenario, there is a need of digitization. There is a need of online access of information on the cloud, where all your team can access that information. All the client can access, because if your files are in office, you are at home, your team is somebody else, it makes it a little difficult. So with Complinity, all your data being stored in a very organized format, all the client data which is searchable, sortable, filterable, all data stored in a very organized format. It's quite a great way of digitizing all the records of the entire practice that you are doing, especially in COVID. Third is collaborate. So all teams are working remotely, and it becomes very imperative for teams to collaborate on a real-time basis. It's very difficult for you to share Excel or share Word and work. Somebody has worked on one document, the other one wants to work on it now, etc., etc. So real-time collaboration is furthered by using Complinity. Now, second is the fourth benefit is that you can supervise your teams better. At all points of time, you will know what are the 100 clients, all the 100 clients that you have, what are the hundreds of deliverables, tasks, procedures, who is working on what is the real-time status. Your team will update a status and you come to know, okay, done, open, closed, WIP, etc. So supervision is quite real-time, not only by you with your direct reports, but your team leaders with the trainees and the juniors, etc. So all your practice data on Complinity makes it quite great, quite good, and along with all the documents, makes it quite a robust tool for you to manage all the information and data and access it from anywhere. You don't need to really come to office. You can be at home, you can be at client side, wherever you are. You should just have the internet and just log on to the internet. You have all the information at your fingertips. And fifth is reporting. So with Complinity, you'll get automated reports. You don't need to really generate a separate report every month that this is what we did. There are a couple of reports, and very beautiful reports with red, amber, greens, that what you did for the client in that month. There are graphs, etc. So just download those reports, share it with the client. And better still, why do wait for a report? Even you can make your clients also a users of Complinity, wherein suppose there's a client called XYZ. He becomes a client. You create a client user for him. He will be able to view all the records that you are adding for that client on a real-time basis again. So it's like a view-only dashboard that you shared with the client on a real-time basis, where he exactly knows what have you been working on for him, maybe on a retainer basis or assignment, etc. And it's like a real-time reporting. So I think as a next step, now that all of you have registered yourself on Complinity, and a lot of you have even started using and putting in data, etc. I would encourage you to start using the system. I know you will get stuck a little bit. You'll need to know where to find this, how to do that, etc. So there's a help desk for it within the system. You just see the more tab and there's a help desk. Raise a ticket. Our support teams are constantly looking at your tickets and they will strive to respond to you within 24 to 48 hours, preferably within 24 hours, to help you use the system wherever you're facing any queries. If you get any bug or any error in any report, anything, report it on the help desk tool. You can also call us at the support numbers given on the portal complinity.com, and also there is a question mark or a help section also. Even in the more tab you'll see a help button. So go to the help section, search for your queries. You'll get a lot of answers over there as well. You know, as is is a very nice quote comes to my mind. You know, the best way to create future, or sorry, the best way to predict future is to create it yourself. And technology is exactly like that. Technology is the future, friends. You will agree with me. Technology is here to stay. The sooner we adopt it, the better it is. If we don't adopt it, somebody else will, and they will be ahead of the game. So let's create the future ourselves. Let's start using technology which is available to us, and you know, interact with us. Tell us what more you need. We are here to give you as much as we can, so that the entire ecosystem of company secretaries, the entire profession of company secretaries benefits by this initiative, and we are all able to make some difference in the lives of the corporates, and we are true to our word of being called as a governance professional. So this is your fellow professional, fellow company secretary Sumit Pahwa signing off, and all the best